Who are we? We're just a bunch of kids who care a lot about the environment and want the world to be a better place. We looked around at the world and we saw people using straws or plastic cups or just throwing away things that easily could be recycled, and no one was promoting sustainability. But we didn't know where to go with this. We got stuck. We knew what world we were looking for, but we didn't know how exactly to make it happen. So we pivoted many times. We talked about reinventing school lunch times with different kinds of trays, or we talked about implementing an entirely new school curriculum. But eventually, it hit us. We decided to make a trivia game. Not just any trivia game, but one entirely about sustainability. We'd ask questions about the environment, or about recycling, or current events of that nature. We wanted to make a game where people didn't even realize that they're learning, but really, they're learning so much. But to get people to play this kind of game, we needed an incentive. So we decided to offer some awesome prizes. So we offered discount codes for sustainable products that aligned with the values and goals of our game. Swell bottles, hydro flasks, 4 ocean bands, reusable straws, even Patagonias. These are things that people would want to own, and once they own them, they're really saving the environment. Owning a pack of reusable straws or a hydro flask is saving the environment one less plastic bottle at a time. Our game is questions all about the environment and teaching people about what's going on in the world around them and how they can help, while also providing them the means that they need to make that change in their life. It was perfect. We called ourselves Environmentor. We knew that we had a fantastic product, but we needed to make sure that others felt the same way too. So we sent out a survey. We asked questions about every single aspect of the game. We found that about 65% of the people we surveyed either play HQ already or were interested in playing. 91.53% were interested in owning the products that we were providing, and 39% of those people were not willing to pay for these products on their own. It seemed like people were not only interested in playing trivia, but were also interested in the prizes that they could get. To clarify, we asked if the prizes that we would provide would make people more likely to play our game. 83.05% of people said that they were interested in playing an environmental trivia game if they offered these cool prizes, and 13.56% of people would have played anyway. That's 96.61% of people that we interviewed that want to play our game. Next, it was time to actually invent the game. We threw some content together with questions like, how long does it take a toothbrush to decompose? Or, how many types of different recycling are there? It looked like this, and we felt pretty legit. Again, we got more excited. We fleshed out the rules. Get a question right, you stay in. Get it wrong, and you're out. We then had to clarify our point system. Get a question right, and you stay in. But get 3 questions right, and you get a coin. You get a coin for every 3 questions that you get right. This sets us apart from HQ because games like that, you have to make it through the entire game to win anything. But with us, we wanted to have more of an incentive to just keep playing. There's 12 questions total, so at the end, you get an extra coin if you win the whole thing. Therefore, you can end with a total of 5 coins in your bank. Redeeming your coins is simple. After every 15 coins that you earn, you have a choice of 3 new discount codes. These discount codes may start small, but keep earning and they'll just get bigger and bigger, and the brands that you can get also get bigger and bigger.
Our revenue model is based on income from advertisements and a paid ad-free version of the app. We want to encourage people to use our app rather than drive users away by using too many ads. The 2 advertisement options we decided on are banner ads and video ads. To start, banner ads appear at the bottom of the screen for 30 seconds and rotate to a new ad when time is up. The banner ad will bring a revenue of $1 per 1,000 impressions. This means that each ad view will be worth 1/10 of a penny in revenue. We are anticipating that every user will see roughly 10 ads per week. To calculate the revenue from banner ads, we can multiply the revenue per ad times 10 ads times the 52 weeks per year, giving us a revenue per player of 52 cents per year. The second ad option are video ads. The video ads provide a revenue of $5 per 1,000 impressions. This means that each ad will provide roughly half a cent worth of revenue. We anticipate 2 videos per game, one at the beginning and one at the end before coins can be collected. Based on this information, we can calculate revenue for a video ad as half a cent times 2 views per game times 52 games per year. This equals a revenue per player of 52 cents per year. Together, the two ad revenue models provide $1.04 worth of revenue per person. We are estimating, based on our research, that 95% of our revenue will come from ads, which gives us a total of 99 cents per user. Remember those users who would pay for the ad-free version? Our research shows that they are willing to pay $2 and make up 5% of our revenue, or 10 cents per person. When adding this up, our revenue per person is $1.09 per person per year. Moving on to our break-even, we initially calculated our break-even with unpaid employees because we wanted to fully invest in the product, but we know this isn't sustainable. This graph shows that we will break even at 45,622 weekly users per year. Now, once we break even, we do plan to pay ourselves. We will have 4 employees. This increases our break-even point to 192,681 weekly users per year. We acknowledge that this is outside of our serviceable operational market, but we estimate it on the conservative side and know that our competitor HQ went from 0 users to 1 million users in 5 months. We expect to go viral and branch out beyond our niche market that we originally target.
But who exactly is our target market? It's tech-savvy young adults between the ages of 13 and 24. These people are bandwagoners and they want these products that other people have. How do we get to them? Social media influencers. We get celebrities to play our game and that they think it's cool, so other people will too. And then next, we advertise on frequently visited feeds like Instagram or Facebook. People get excited about it and they see that our game is a hit. So they tell their friends, who tell their friends, who tell their friends. Haley, have you heard about our game?
Not yet, but it sounds really neat. Maybe I'll try it.
You definitely should.
Thanks.
We go viral. And here we are. We might have changed who we are or what we're doing, but we have stayed true to our goals and our values the entire time. And now we're here with a product that we know people are really gonna like. Our players are learning more, they're going green, and they are making the impact in the world.
We are Environmentor.
Are you ready to play?